We interrupt this broadcast to ask you if you like this kind of content. Please like and subscribe. Please leave comments. And I should take a moment to talk about some of the comments I've been getting lately. They're great. I love them. Everybody's been brutally honest in some areas. There was one comment I did have to remove. It was just pure profanity. It served no purpose. I don't mind if people don't like what I'm doing, but you can say things without profanity. So that was one comment I did remove. It was just somebody being foul. And I don't appreciate bad comments that are foul in language. If you don't like what I'm doing, by all means, leave a comment. Just be nice about it. Be politically correct. Describe your opinion so I can respond to it appropriately. I appreciate everybody in the community, but for some reason, crypto mining videos tend to get a lot more dislikes than I ever used to get. And again, if you dislike it, that's fair game. But hey, help me out. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you dislike. I'm curious. A little thumbs down doesn't hurt. I don't mind, but I would much appreciate to know why. All right, and now back to your regularly scheduled program. If you hit the like and subscribe button, you'll be seeing the rest of the video now. Do you hear that? Listen. Do you hear it? That is the sound of my crypto mining rigs being turned off. Why are they turned off? Well, this weekend I've been working on my man cave, all things computer cave. And here you can see, well, maybe you don't remember, I had a big bunch of stack of drywall right there. Most of that's gone, and about half of this stack is gone. And so all the crypto mining rigs are off because doing drywall and kicking up all this dust and all that kind of stuff is the worst thing for them. So let's go take a peek here at this side of what I've been up to. Now, I have had help. My wife has been helping me, but we are in no way drywalling professionals. So here you can see, I've been putting up drywall all weekend, got the ceiling in, and the ceiling we did insulate up there too, so it was a 2-for-1. And today, it's Sunday, so I only had like half a day. We do church in the morning, so church and then lunch with friends and all that fun stuff. Got back here, started working on drywall. Excuse me, making me sneeze too. Definitely, this is pole barn construction, and what I learned is through my best intentions, they didn't measure things exactly 2 foot. Separating purlings, they didn't do a great job with exactly the same dimensions on the wall. One wall is like almost 2 inches difference between the width at the base and the top. But of course, I didn't know that until after I was cutting what I thought to be a perfect pieces of drywall. That's all right. It still serves the purpose. The mud will cover up most of it, so it's all good. Anyway, as you can see here, let me zoom in. You know, professional job here. Cut that in the wrong spot, and oh, I did it again. And this is the last piece I put up, and I thought I had measured really well, and when I realized I had horribly messed it up, it was time to call it a day. So here we go again. This is going to be all things computer room. It's going to be crypto mining room. It's going to be a man cave. It's going to be the Bat Cave. I'm Batman.